Who composed the Allahabad pillar inscription that records the achievements of Samudragupta? Option A, Banabhata. Option B, Hari Sena. Option C, Kalidasa. Option D, Bhavabhuti. Correct answer. Option B, Hari Sena. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact of 1931 was signed to bring an end to which major national movement led by Mahatma Gandhi? Option A, Non-Cooperation Movement. Option B, Quit India Movement. Option C, Civil Disobedience Movement. Option D, Swadeshi Movement. Correct answer. Option C, Civil Disobedience Movement. The 2025 India Paddle Festival, a major stand-up paddling event, took place at which of the following beaches? Option A, Sasihidlu Beach, Karnataka. Option B, Varkala Beach, Kerala. Option C, Juvu Beach, Maharashtra. Option D, Palolem Beach, Goa. Correct answer. Option A, Sasihidlu Beach, Karnataka. In which layer of Earth's atmosphere is the ozone layer primarily located? Option A, troposphere. Option B, stratosphere. Option C, mesosphere. Option D, thermosphere. Correct answer. Option B, stratosphere. Which Indian state launched the Pandit Lakshmi Chand Kalakar Samajik Samman Yojana to provide monthly financial assistance to senior artists? Options A, Uttar Pradesh. Options B, Gujarat. Options C, Rajasthan. Options D, Haryana. Correct answer. Option D, Haryana. Which of the following is not considered an indirect tax? Option A, service tax. Option B, custom duty. Option C, gift tax. Option D, goods and services tax. Correct answer. Option C, gift tax. Which bank launched the Maitreyi Room at its Chandigarh office to support the safety and welfare of its women employees? Option A, Punjab National Bank. Option B, State Bank of India. Option C, Bank of Baroda. Option D, Union Bank of India. Correct answer. Option B, State Bank of India. Which tiger reserve in India has the highest tiger population? Option A, Jim Corbett National Park. Option B, Ranthambore National Park. Option C, Bandipur Tiger Reserve. Option D, Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. Correct answer. Option A, Jim Corbett National Park. In which year was the first Indian newspaper, the Bengal Gazette, published? Option A, 1757. Option B, 1780. Option C, 1819. Option D, 1835. Correct answer. Option B, 1780. Which of the following is an alloy made primarily of copper and tin? Option A, brass. Option B, steel. Option C, bronze. Option D, aluminum. Correct answer. Option C, bronze. Which country banned chess, calling it a form of gambling and against religious beliefs? Option A, Afghanistan. Option B, Qatar. Option C, Turkey. Option D, United Arab Emirates. Correct answer. Option A, Afghanistan. According to the Brand Finance Insurance 100, 2025 report, what is LIC's rank as the strongest insurance brand globally? Option A, first. Option B, second. Option C, third. Option D, fourth. Correct answer. Option C, third. The Yala Glacier, which was recently declared dead due to rapid retreat and loss of movement, is located in which country? Option A, India. Option B, Bhutan. Option C, China. Option D, Nepal. Correct answer. Option D, Nepal. Who is the first Indian to be honored with the Ramsar Award for wetland-wise use? Option A, Vandana Shiva. Option B, Sunita Narain. Option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Option D, Mehta Patkar. Correct answer. Option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. The recommendation to include fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution was made by which committee? Option A, Balwantrai Mehta Committee. Option B, Swaran Singh Committee. Option C, Administrative Reforms Commission. Option D, Sarkaria Commission. Option B, Swaran Singh Committee. Who holds the record for being the fastest to score 13,000 runs in Test cricket? Option A, Sachin Tendulkar. Option B, Steve Smith. Option C, Jacques Kallis. Option D, Joe Root. Correct answer. Option D, Joe Root. Who is the current governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Option A, Shaktikanta Das. Option B, Urjit Patel. Option C, T. Ravi Shankar. Option D, Sanjay Malhotra. Correct answer. Option D, Sanjay Malhotra. Which of the following vitamin is also known as thiamine? Option A, vitamin B1. Option B, vitamin B2. Option C, vitamin B6. Option D, vitamin B12. Correct answer. Option A, vitamin B1. Thrissur Puram, an annual Hindu temple festival, is celebrated in which Indian state? Option A, Odisha. Option B, West Bengal. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Maharashtra. Correct answer. Option C, Kerala. According to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, which country was the largest importer of major arms during the 2020 to 2024 period? Option A, India. Option B, Ukraine. Option C, Russia. Option D, China. Correct answer. Option B, Ukraine. Hojagiri is a traditional folk dance of which Indian state? Option A, Assam. Option B, Manipur. Option C, Tripura. Option D, Meghalaya. Correct answer. Option C, Tripura. Who authored Spirit Nights, a novel inspired by Naga folklore and spiritual traditions? Option A, Meena Kandasamy. Option B, Easterine Kair. Option C, Arvind Adiga. Option D, Kamala Das. Correct answer. Option B, Easterine Kair. What is India's rank in the 2025 Global Terrorism Index, among countries most affected by terrorism? Option A, 8th. Option B, 10th. Option C, 13th. Option D, 14th. Correct answer. Option D, 14th. What is the total length of the India-Myanmar border that the Indian government plans to fence with an anti-cut, anti-climb barrier? Option A, 1,456 kilometers. Option B, 1,535 kilometers. Option C, 1,643 kilometers. Option D, 1,714 kilometers. Correct answer. Option C, 1,643 kilometers. According to the Constitution of India, what is the minimum age requirement to become the President of India? Option A, 28 years. Option B, 30 years. Option C, 33 years. Option D, 35 years. Correct answer. Option D, 35 years.